championships and world championships going down at the same exact time. All 7 riders representing from right here in Portugal on the water, Jose Alves. Here you go. Let's check out what Jose has in store for us. Started off with a heel side cut over the wake right there. Front side lip slide on that wake. Little butter slide out into the flats. Little back side butter slide that time. Nice front side lipper up that wake. Just throwing some buckets out there. Toe side cut back across that wake and all the way out to the outside. Heel side, nice heel side wake jump. Heel side cut to the opposite side. Jose front side 180. Ride and switch back to regular. And it looks like that is going to do it for pass number 1. And Jose going for that wake 180. He ends up letting go of that handle and goes down for a crash. What do you say, Portugal? You want to get loud? Let's get proud and make some noise for your boy Jose Alves, the first rider in this amateur wake skate division. We'll pick him back up. We're going to give him another crack at it.